In this video, we will present the ABCs on how to go about and get started with intermittent fasting. So, ang video na ito ay para sa mga taong gusto magsimula at mag-practice ng intermittent fasting. But before anything else, let's have a clear understanding on what we are trying to achieve with intermittent fasting. The very objective is to burn the excess glucose and excess triglycerides in our body. We always have to remember that the mother of all dietary evils are excess glucose and excess triglycerides. These two are the primary causes why we become obese and why we develop diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. Now, ang tanong, saan nanggagaling itong excess glucose at excess triglycerides? They mainly come from the carbohydrates that we consume from meals and snacks that we take. Lalo na ngayon, dahil karamihan sa mga kinakain natin ay ang daming carbohydrates and sugar. Hindi lang sa kinakain at pati sa iniinom natin. The other thing we have to remember is that it takes 12 hours for our body to burn yung excess glucose that we have consumed. At pag naubos na yung excess glucose, dyan magsisimula na tutunawin at gagamitin ng ating katawan yung excess triglycerides at taba natin. Kaya, for those who want to start to practice intermittent fasting, my suggestion is we do a 13-hour fast. 12 hours para maubos yung excess glucose at yung isang oras, the 13th hour, ay para pang tunaw sa excess triglycerides at taba natin. Now, let's keep the schedule for 1 week. After 1 week, dagdagan natin ng isang oras. So magiging 14 hours na yung fasting period natin. At 2 oras na yung nakalaan para pang tunaw sa excess triglycerides at fats natin. After another week, dagdagan uli natin ng isang oras. Gawin ng 15 hours yung fasting period. Ibig sabihin, 3 oras na yung pangtunaw sa excess triglycerides at fats. And let's repeat the cycle until aabot sa 16 to 18 hours na yung fasting period natin. Because tandaan natin, the longer the fasting period natin, the longer the fasting hours natin, the better for our body. Because the longer our blood sugar will be kept at a normal level, and the longer na yung excess triglycerides and fats are being burned. Now, ang tanong is, what's the best time to do our fasting? My suggestion is, do it at night, sa gabi. Mas madali gawin sa gabi because natutulog lang tayo. So walang tukso para tayo ay kumain ng kung ano-ano. For example, kumain ka at 6:30 p.m. at ang last na subo mo ng pagkain is at 7 p.m. And after that, huwag ka nang kumain. The following morning, 8 a.m., 13 hours na yun. So you've completed the 13 hours. During the fasting period, pwedeng uminom ng tubig. Dapat nga maraming tubig. At pwede rin uminom ng coffee or tea. You just have to make sure na walang asukal at walang gatas yung coffee or tea natin. Pwede rin kumain maski ano during the eating period. Walang restrictions on what type of food and the amount of food that we can eat during the eating period. Kaya, we can still continue to eat the food that we normally eat on a daily basis. So, with intermittent fasting, kaunting sakripisyo at kaunting disiplina lang actually ang kailangan. And it's a small price to pay for keeping ourselves healthy, for keeping ourselves well. Fasting is the way to freedom. Freedom from diseases, freedom from enslavement to medicines. Thank you.